Okay, I did a little experimenting today and I got this thing burning like a jet engine. I tried making a longer nozzle to go further down the barrel, but that didn't really work. Didn't make much of a difference. I tried to drill it out to the jet out from 045 to 5/64, but I broke the bit, so I really can't tell you how that works. The next bit up I have was a 3/32, which is 0.094, and on this burner the thing actually works like a space shuttle engine, and I still have the 10 psi regulator on it. Turn it down, it's making my barbecue grill glow. So a 3/32 drill bit for the orifice, and the burner works great. Later on when I put it in the forge, I'm going to try it without the bushing on the end. I think it'll work fine. Or possibly a 12-inch pipe instead of a 10.